In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get this Gucci Decal in Rocket League. So the first step is go to the link in the description, barkersmod.com, and download it. I've already downloaded it. So you'll have the icon and you need to start it. It'll say uninjected, wait to start Rocket League. Mine's already injected, but just make sure it's open and don't start Rocket League yet. Then you have to install Alpha Console. I already have, so I won't. Okay, so the next step is you need to get, in the link in the description, there'll be a link, and then on there you can download the folder. This is the folder you'll download. So what you need to do is use Embarkers Mod. When you open it, you can go open Barkers Mod folder, and then go to data, AC plugin, which stands for Alpha Console plugin, then decal textures, which will have all your decal textures. Now I've already moved it. What you do is you get it and you just drag it in, and just don't mess with any stuff in here, and it'll guaranteed work. And also, the only thing you can change if you want is you can rename this. So for example, if I go in game, I've got it right now, it would say flex, but I can rename it. So I'll just rename it to example. And if I go in game and I close the menu and I reopen it, then you'll have example Gucci. Okay, so once you have all of this set up, you can start the game. I already have. But what you do is you'd press F2 and you'd have the Barkers Mod menu. But you can press F5 and you'll have this menu. Now you can go over to cosmetics, and under decal textures you'll have default, and you'll also have hyper beast, but you'll also have this because you just downloaded it, and you'll be able to set that for both, and then it'll work.